Alright, so Nanubabo Abalen. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga. Today we are here sa Angeles City and we are gonna be checking out Chick and Hat. So this is a newest store for your Lechon Manok, your Liempo. Check out the place. We're gonna, grab them and drive them home para dun po natin subukan. Samahan niyo ako. For the full Lechon Manok, it's only 219 pesos. For the half Lechon Manok, it's just 119 pesos. Now for the Liempo, it's 169 pesos for the full, and for the half naman, it's only 89 pesos. They are located in Angeles City, particularly Pandan. They are open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. If you're located near Pandan or Salapungan, ang delivery fee nila, guys, is free. Alright, so actually, if you are just with me, grabe, ang sarap ng amoy. We were able to, chop yung whole chicken nila earlier. Grabe, ang lambot. But then again, of course, at the end of the day, sa lasa pa rin tayo nagkakatalo. So, let's get into the details. We have 3 dips. So, meron tayong suka, meron tayong toyo-based, chili, and then meron din silang sarsa. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go first with their Lechon Manok. So this is their Lechon Manok. I wanna dip it sa soy sauce natin. Yung lasa niya is para pumapantay sa manok ng SNR. Their own herbs and spices na they put in here, and yun yung nagbibigay ng kakaibang lasa. Grabe, it almost instantly peels off from the bone. Super maghahanap ka talaga ng rice. So meron tayo ditong unchopped liempo. So I'm gonna get yung niya, balat. So para tong lechon. Check that out. So take a look at it before I dip it sa sauce natin. Ayan o. Nakaka-guilty ng mga ganitong pagkain, pero dahil sa sobrang sarap, presyo pa niya na mura, grabe, kakain mo na lang talaga.
Inimbitahan ko kayong subukan ng aming Lechon Manok and Liempo. We are located here at 696 RA Canlas, Springside, Pandan, Angeles City. Try na!
Alright. So thank you so much, Chick and Hat, for allowing us to taste your amazing Lechon Manok and Liempo.